For decades, on the weekend after Labor Day, a small town full of patriotic residents, excited kids, dogs, babies, stunt-driving Shriners, a waving mayor, a caboose-riding candy thrower, and of course Miss Fayette have gathered to celebrate Watermelon Days. In this town of about 1,000, which includes students from Upper Iowa University, free watermelon is definitely a highlight.
The Lions Club serves it up, so that's the best part, right?
But this three-day gathering is more about celebrating the community, the people who live here, work here, and raise families here.
Everything is around free family event.
Those in attendance can enjoy a parade, free face painting, free inflatables, free entertainment, and for a limited time...
Can I have a piece?
Yeah, absolutely. Help yourself.
All right, thank you.
free watermelon. Donations from folks who live in town and the area fund this annual event, and a warm sense of community keeps it going every year. Just another way food brings people together.